Ever gazed up at the moon on a clear night, marveling at its luminous glow and wondered, could it all be a grand illusion? What if the moon, with a diameter of 2,159 miles, making it more than 1/4 the size of Earth, hanging in its celestial splendor was nothing more than a mirage? A mirage, by definition, is a naturally occurring optical phenomenon in which light rays are bent to produce a displaced image of distant objects. This bending of light, or refraction, happens when light passes through air layers of differing temperatures. This phenomenon, known as a temperature inversion, can cause some pretty mind-boggling illusions. Picture a hot, sandy desert. The air above the sand is substantially warmer than the air higher up. As light travels from the cooler air through the warmer air, it speeds up and bends away from its original, creating the illusion of water on the horizon. But let's snap back to our lunar muse. The moon is not a puddle of water shimmering in the distance. It's a celestial body, about 240,000 miles away from Earth, approximately 30 Earths away in terms of distance, bathing in the cold void of space. So how could it possibly be a mirage? Mirages mostly occur in our atmosphere, where varying air temperatures cause light to refract. However, space lacks an atmosphere. Instead, it contains a vacuum, devoid of air or any other matter that could bend light. Hence, the possibility of the moon being a mirage becomes highly unlikely. Moreover, we've sent spacecraft and astronauts to the moon. They've walked on its surface, collected lunar rocks, and yes, even planted a flag. These physical interactions further confirm the moon's existence and debunk any mirage theory. Not to mention, the moon's gravitational pull is responsible for the Earth's tides, another undeniable proof of its existence. But what if you ponder the moon we see is not the actual moon but a refracted image of it, like a colossal cosmic mirage? Well, while fascinating to imagine, this theory would need to account for the consistent visibility of the moon from different locations on Earth and at different times. Light from the moon would have to bend uniformly for everyone, everywhere, every time. Given the complexities of space and light refraction, this scenario seems highly unlikely. In conclusion, while mirages are fascinating optical phenomena that can trick our eyes into seeing water in a desert, the moon is not a mirage. Its existence is concrete and verified. Its impact on our planet's tides is evident, and its image is not a result of light refraction, but an actual celestial body shining down on us. So the next time you gaze at the moon, rest assured, it's as real as the ground beneath your feet. Remember, not everything that glows in the night sky is an illusion. Some things are just as they appear, simply magnificent.